إذا كنت من المتابعين الجدد اشترك الآن في القناة ليصلك الجديد بالضغط على الزر الأحمر أسفل القناة مع تفعيل الجرس، ولا تنسوا دعم المقطع بلايك. شكرا لكم جزيل الشكر.
How many bowls do you have? How many plates do you have?
I have 3 bowls. I have 2 plates.
A dress. Trousers. A skirt. Shoes. A coat. A shirt.
Two, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 1, 3, 5, 2.
Who is eating? The police officer is eating. Who is reading? The pupils are reading. Who is drinking? The women are drinking. Who is writing? The girl is writing.
The man is wearing a coat. The man is buying a coat. The man is wearing a hat. The man is buying a hat. 5. 6. 3. 1. 2. 4.
The boy is not wearing a t-shirt. The woman is wearing shoes. The girl is wearing a t-shirt. The man is not wearing shoes.
What is this? This is a bicycle. How many bicycles are there? There are 3 bicycles. Who has a bicycle? She has a bicycle. Does she have a bicycle? Yes.
إذا كنت من المتابعين الجدد اشترك الآن في القناة ليصلك الجديد بالضغط على الزر الأحمر أسفل القناة مع تفعيل الجرس، ولا تنسوا دعم المقطع بلايك. شكرا لكم جزيل الشكر.
Caught in the crossfire.